Bonjour. Welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is prepositions. Prepositions in French. So, what is preposition? Preposition is a word or is a group of words which we use to link to another words in a sentence. Right? So, this is a link between noun, pronoun, or phrase with another words in a sentence. Right? This is quite an important topic of grammar, and it's quite important to know about the prepositions. So, listen carefully. First one is a, which could be to, at, and in. A could be to, at, in. Right? The, of and from, of and from. Dans, in or into. Dans. Sur, on or upon. On or upon. Sous, under. Sous, under. Devant. Devant is in front of. In front of. Right? Let's repeat once more. You can repeat after me. A, the, dans, sur, sous, devant. Let's discuss these prepositions with the help of examples. First, a. Elle va à le parc. She is going to the park. Elle va à le parc. She is going to the park. A. Next example. Nous sommes à la bibliothèque. What is bibliothèque? Library. We are at the library. Nous sommes à la bibliothèque. Nous sommes à la bibliothèque. Right? Second one is the. Le livre de John. The book of John or John's book. Le livre de John. Second one, elle vient de Canada. Vient is venir. Elle vient de Canada. She comes from Canada or she is from Canada. The. Right? Third one, dans, in or into. Le chat est dans la boîte. What is boîte? Box. Dans. Cat. The cat is in the box. The cat is in the box. Le chat est dans la boîte. Correct? Next. Mettons les mangues dans la frigo. Mangue. Mangoes. Frigo. Fridge. Let's keep the mangoes in the fridge. Or let's put the mangoes in the fridge. Mettons les mangues dans le frigo. Correct? Next one. Sur, on. Le stylo est sur la table. Le stylo est sur la table. Stylo, pen. Table is table. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. Le stylo est sur la table. Le chien dort sur le lit. Dort. Sleep. Dormir. Lit. Bed. The dog sleeps on the bed. Or the dog is sleeping on the bed. Le chien dort sur le lit. Next example. Sous. Under. Le parapluie est sous la chaise. Chaise is chair. Parapluie is umbrella. Umbrella is under the chair. Le parapluie est sous la chaise. Le parapluie est sous la chaise. Next example. Il cache le trésor sous le sol. Sol is ground. Trésor is treasure. Cache is hide. Cache. He hides the treasure under the ground. Il cache le trésor sous le sol. Correct? Devant, which is in front of. La voiture est devant la maison. Maison is house. Voiture is car. The car is in front of the house. La voiture est devant la maison. La voiture est devant la maison. Last one. Tenez-vous devant la tableau. Tenez-vous. Stand. Please stand in front of the tableau. Tableau is board or painting. Please stand in front of the painting. Tenez-vous devant le tableau. Tenez-vous devant le tableau. I hope this is clear. Let's continue further. Derrière. Derrière, which is behind. Derrière. Avant. Avant. Before. Avec. Avec. With. Sans. Sans. Without. Après. Après. After. Pendant. Pendant. During or while. Chez. Chez. Which is at or someone's place. Correct? Let's repeat once more. You can repeat after me. Derrière. Derrière. Avant. Avant. Avec. Avec. Sans. Sans. Après. Après. Pendant. Pendant. Chez. Chez. Let's repeat or let's discuss these prepositions with the help of examples. First one. Derrière. L'arbre est derrière le bâtiment. L'arbre. Tree. Tree is behind the building. Bâtiment is building. So, derrière. L'arbre est derrière le bâtiment. The tree is behind the building. Second one. Le ballon est derrière le canapé. Canapé is sofa or couch. Ball is behind the sofa or the ball is behind the couch. Le ballon est derrière le canapé. Right? Avant. Before. Termine tes devoirs avant 10 heures. Complete your homework. Devoir. Homework. Complete your homework before 10 o'clock. Termine tes devoirs avant 10 heures. Next. Retrouvons-nous au café avant le film. Let's meet at cafe before film. Right? Before starting of the film. Retrouvons-nous au café avant le film. Avec, which is with. Il y a au parc avec ses amis. He is at the park with his friends. Il va au parc avec ses amis. Avec. Mangions de la pizza avec du fromage. Fromage is, what is fromage? Cheese. Pizza, pizza. Mangions, manger, to eat. Let's eat pizza with cheese. Let's eat pizza with cheese. Mangions de la pizza avec du fromage. Right? Next is sans, which is without. Je ne peux pas cuisiner sans ingrédients. Peut, pouvoir, cannot, not be able to, or able to basically. Here is negative. I cannot cook without ingredients. Je ne peux pas cuisiner without, je ne peux pas cuisiner sans ingrédients. Next, elle va à l'école sans son sac à dos. Sac à dos is backpack. She goes to the school, or she goes to the school without her backpack. Or she is going to the school without her backpack. Elle va à l'école sans son sac à dos. Correct? Sans son. Next one. Après. Nous aurons le dessert après le dîner. We will have the dessert after the dinner. Nous aurons le dessert après le dîner. Right? We will have the dessert after the dinner. Next, गत खुओं, which is गत खुए, to meet. गत खुओं ਨੂੰ आपके l'école. Let's meet after school. गत खुओं ਨੂੰ आपके l'école. Next is pendant, which is during or while. J'aime lire pendant les weekends. Weekend is weekend. Pendant is during or while. I like or I love to read during the weekends. J'aime lire pendant les weekends. J'aime lire pendant les weekends. Last one, chez, which we are using to denote at or to denote someone's place. Example, nous allons manger chez John. We are going. We are going to eat at John's house. Nous allons manger chez John. I hope this is clear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.